throughout my life, I've always wanted to speak in English fluently. But somehow, I always struggle with my spoken English. I adore people, even kids, even the small kids, when they can speak fluent English. I think my environment doesn't allow me to speak English. The challenges I have encountered before I joined Bricken, of course, I'm not fluent in English. I always lost word during conversation, during presentation, and that brought me to being stuck when question was asked. So I couldn't respond, I couldn't feedback to that question. If I tried to, then I will give something that people don't understand. I have a very, I would say, minimal or limited vocabulary. I do not know how to express something in English. So that makes me unable to speak fully in English. Sometimes I know the sound of words, but when I pronounce it, it doesn't seem that correct. I do not know. I try to Google, but when I pronounce it, inauguration, something like that. So when I pronounce it, it doesn't seem the same as what I heard from Google when I Google that word. And then my grammar mix up, of course. Due to that, I always refuse to talk in English because I'm afraid that I will make grammatical mistake. When it comes to the presentation, I think I have the feeling that people pretend to understand what I have presented. Then it kills my motivation to present. They seem nodded their head, but I think they don't understand. When I meet with the external parties, like customers and also auditors, I chose to keep quiet. I don't speak so much because, okay, first I'm afraid I will make mistake. And also I was afraid that I lost word. So that's the two things that, stopping me to talk in meetings. Then in interview, I couldn't speak fully in English and fluent in English. As a result, I did not get any promotion or any enhancement in my position. I don't move so frequent. Even lateral transfer, I don't go for interview before this. But after I joined Bricken, I attended one interview, but I rejected that offer to go to other division because I think
Wow.
I can get better position after this, because right now I'm not afraid anymore to speak in English. I'm no longer hesitate and afraid anymore to speak in English. Like you say, Yasmin, don't let anything stop you from doing what you want to. Of course, I learned a lot. I learned about business. I learned about ROL. I think I feel much better. This feeling I have never had before this. I don't know. I just not afraid anymore to speak English. It's okay. I do mistake. I don't feel shy anymore. I don't feel sad the whole day and no appetite to eat. No longer. So I
Wow.
just speak. I just speak and okay, it's okay. I make mistake, then I improve tomorrow. So after I join this class, I gain that confidence. Thank you to Yasmin, and thank you to everyone here. I'm going to miss. I'm a bit emotional today because this will be our last class. So, but because I will not have the opportunity to speak in English for 2 hours at least. I will not have that opportunity because at the office people will see me as Poyo if I want to speak in English fully in the meeting. So, but I will have that chance when I do the presentation, especially when I meet the auditor and also the customer. I will never give up.